Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Hello Guest. This thrilling stealth horror game serves as a pre-alpha for Hello Neighbor 2, featuring an advanced, self-learning artificial intelligence. You can easily find and download this game on multiple platforms, including PC, Xbox, and iOS devices. We'll focus on the alpha version, which is the most straightforward way to jump into the mysterious Golden Apple amusement park. Let's dive into the simple steps to begin your adventure. For PC players, getting Hello Guest is quite simple. You can download the alpha version directly from the Steam platform, which is a popular choice for many gamers. Alternatively, it's also readily available through the Microsoft Store if you're using a Windows operating system. Before you download, remember to check your computer's specifications. A minimum of 6 GB of RAM and a GTX 770 graphics card are recommended for the best experience. If you prefer playing on consoles, Xbox owners can easily acquire Hello Guest directly from the Microsoft Store. Mobile gamers aren't left out either. iOS users can download the game from the Apple App Store. Before initiating any download, it's always a good idea to confirm your device has enough storage, typically around 4 GB of available space. Also, ensure your operating system meets the game's compatibility standards for a seamless installation. Once you've installed Hello Guest, you'll step into the shoes of a night shift security guard at the eerie Golden Apple amusement park. Your primary goal is to protect the park from vandals while evading the advanced artificial intelligence known as the Guest. Use various items, such as flashlights to deter the guest and fire extinguishers for movement. Explore the environment, solve intriguing puzzles, and uncover the park's many hidden secrets to complete your shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.